Today we are going to install the new Turn Offroad Jeep JL rear bumper with hitch receiver. This bumper fits the Jeep Wrangler JL 2018 through 2025 models. Installation time is around 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, but easier with a friend. With a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by grabbing the backup sensor wire harness you removed from your factory bumper, if equipped, and lay it out in place on the new Turn Offroad Rear Bumper. Each bracket mounts from the front side of the bumper, with the bracket bevel angle facing toward the ground. Once the bracket is snapped in place, install the bracket clamp on the backside to secure it. Repeat this step to install the other 3 sensor brackets. Next, starting at the outer driver's side mount, snap the first sensor into the bracket. To make sure you are starting with the correct sensor, the harness will have the vehicle plug on that side of it. Continue across the bumper, snapping in the other 3 sensors into the brackets. Then, move the harness to tuck up along the top edge of the bumper. Now, let's take a look at the mounting hardware. You will reuse 4 of the longer factory mounting bolts and 2 of the shorter ones. Also, you are provided a nut plate and 2 smaller bolts to secure the passenger side of the vehicle. Next, grab the provided nut plate and set it in place, as you see here, inside the frame, on the passenger's side of the vehicle. This gives you access to utilize the stock holes in the framework. Now, with a friend's help, hold the bumper up and in place. Before you slide it onto the frame, take the wire harness plug and run it through the framework, as you see here. Then, you can slide the bumper into place. Once in place, thread in one of the longer factory bolts to hold the bumper safely. We now took this time to make sure the sensors were facing downward and securely snapped in place. Next, take the 2 shorter factory bolts and thread them in on the driver's side of the vehicle, as shown here. Now, grab the 2 smaller bolts, and on the passenger's side, reach in with a couple fingers to secure the nut plate, line up the holes, and thread in the bolts. Then, once the bolts are in place, thread in the other outer long bolts, if you haven't already. Next, the bumper has slotted mounting holes, so you can adjust the bumper for a desired fitting. Once you have that in place, use an 18mm socket to tighten down the bottom bolts. Now, if you have a swivel or universal for your socket, use it to reach to upper side bolt and tighten it down. Then, tighten down the lower side bolt. Next, repeat this step on the other side of the vehicle. Lastly, grab the harness plug and plug it back into the vehicle, as you can see here, and you are done. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad JL rear bumper install. Don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.